thinking it could be the Vanos seals. So what I'm gonna do today is change the Vanos seals. Now, of course, you gotta take the valve cover off. Then once you take the valve cover off, voila, you have access to the Vanos. Then it's a couple wires and all that. Put the light down there too so you can see wires and all that up under there, you know what I'm saying? You get all the wires, unrun them, disconnect everything, and bring it up top. Then it's two 8mm bolts like that. You get that, you break it. I got a little baby breaker bar, you take those off. Now these are the, ooh, look at all the oil. Good thing I got that right there. On both sides, it's the same thing. So they're both 8mm. They're both the same thing. Like, you can't mix sides on that. But what I'm gonna do, I'll still put stuff on the side that they can. And I'm recording with one hand and giving you this game. See how talented I am? I don't know nobody else that can record with one hand, do this, and give you this game. Everybody else be corny, you know what I'm saying? You know, guys, today, you know, your boy recording, giving you game all at the same time. Then up under here, it's two little caps. You want to get some needle nose pliers, twist and pull them out, and then voila, they pop out. So I gotta go find my little baby needle noses. Well, I'm back and I was able to reach in there and look. Damn, the other one's even worse. So you take them two off. Then you have two more bolts. I gotta see what size they are because I forgot. They're probably like T30s or something. Yep. And these are reverse threads, so it's not lefty loosey, righty tighty. It's the opposite. Don't fall out, look. Bam. So there's supposed to be a couple tens. A couple 10s and a 13. Look at all my tools. I guess the Vanos has been taken off before I messed with it. I got another 10. Disconnected the wires that go to the tube. Then I got another 10 on this side right here. And then I got a 13. Oh yeah, then I got a disconnected banjo bolt. Damn. Damn. That thing was on there, y'all. Yep. way. Wiggle and pull forward. Wiggle and pull forward. There we go. Voila. Vanos is out. You know, we about to put some new seals on it. I got a kit. I got everything. Came, you know, with everything, right? So, I change these seals, dog. All right, so now the Vanos is out. You got the intake and you got the exhaust side. Man, I know one side got a spring. Oh, it's been a while. Taking off the intake side. See what we got. Ooh. I'm gonna do it that time. Damn, look at that. Damn, look at that. And there you have it. That's why power was being lost. Look at that. Solution on why this car has not been working. Then there's another test that you do. You get this right here, you put it in there. It's supposed to be sealing. Ain't nothing sealing in there, man. All right, so got the Vanos piston, got that. What you want to do is take it, clean it with some brake cleaner, you know. Now what you want to do is start, you know, oiling up your seal, getting all the seals ready, lubricating them. So what I did, I used oil. Used oil on the seals, and I just wrapped them around the Vanos, man. So, yeah, that's all I'm doing, just lubing it up, getting everything ready, dumping in the oil, getting them wet, putting them on the Vanos. I'm making this look good, man. And don't be scared, man. They stretch over a little bit, but don't be worried. When you put it back inside, then they're going to go back to the original sealing point. So if you overstretch them a little bit, do not worry. No problem. Keep going. Don't be spooked, man. That Teflon seal, you have to fight to get that on there, but it's gonna work. See? Just be patient. Then what you do is you take the seal, you put it in the thing, man. I lubricated it, both of them. Put it in this. And now it's set. Then you do the same thing, put some here, put some in the walls. Like, see how harder this is to go in? Than the other one. Put some more oil. See how much harder that one was to go in than the original seals that came out? Like it's seated on here, but to me, I don't know if it's seated, but we gonna see. And this gasket comes off. Change this gasket. Yep, come on. Change that. You feel me? What? Whatever, man. Then that's that. So we can put all that back on that side, and that side's done.
Put the piston back in. And put the cap back on. Perfect. Got that on. Now it's time back for bolts. That's the exhaust side done. Now we gotta do the, that's the intake side done. Now we gotta do the exhaust side.
Intake side was. Now let's see his exhaust side. Cool. Well, these seals ain't too bad. These seals ain't too bad. Now that intake side, crazy. These even got a little bite to them still. These are way easier than the other ones. The other ones was like problematic. Woo, almost cut my finger. Oh my God, y'all seen that? All right, now the minute is up. Whoa, damn. Ah, bro. Oh man. I gotta go to the junkyard now. And I need another Vanos kit now. Look at this, man. Now I need to go get another solenoid. Or another damn piston for it. All right, y'all. So after I broke it, I went to my storage, and luckily I had another Vanos. So what I did is I got another one. Bam. And I had another Vanos seal kit. Bam. So it worked out. So I got that, Got that right there. You feel me? Then what you want to do is, I already changed the back gasket on that. I put that in there. I let it sit on both sides for a minute to let both seals seat. So put in there for a minute, let this seal seat. Then put this in the back there to let that seal seat. Now I got the spring like that. Bam. The spring also goes the fat side on this end because that fits right there, in the skinny side it's gonna fit in there. So you get that. You get that. You put that back. Like that. You line that up right there. That's it right there. Okay. So I got that right there. You line that up. Yep, that's it. So after you do all that, then you get a new gasket, put that new gasket on that thing. You know what I'm saying? I'm going through here, double checking, triple checking, making sure all the bolts are tight. And after all that's done, cleaned it up a little bit, but after all that's done, get that ready. Line that up. And slide that thing on. There we go, on that side. There we go. The Vanos is on. Woo! Now, there's the two bolts. I gotta put them on. Reverse thread. Yeah. So it's two T30s. I put those in already. Those are counterclockwise or whatever. And then you got these caps. You change the seals on here. Change the seals behind the caps. Then you install the caps. That's done. Then you got the two 8mm caps. And then from there, just all the bolts that's secured. All right, so first I put the two T30s in there. Got those in there. Then after I did that, I put the two caps in there. Then the two caps. Then it's two of these 8mm Allen bolts. Put those, tighten those up. We good. Then I put the 13mm, tighten all the bolts around it. And now the Vanos is on there, tight and secure. Then I also put the banjo bolt and that bolt in there. Now the Vanos is done. The seals are done. And it's back in the car. Now I got to put the valve cover back on and the fan. And that's going to be it. Take it out for a spin, see what it do. So, don't want to give me no faults.